What's up, YouTube? Today I'm working on a 2014 Lincoln MKX. It's a little crossover thingy. We're going to be doing front struts. The bearing plates in these struts are binding up, so they're getting that popping, springy sound when they turn the wheel. So we're going to go ahead and swap them out. I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this 10mm out to release this brake line from the strut. I got my little helper here. Say hi, Sky.
Hi.
That's my daughter, Skylar. So first thing we're going to do is a 10mm nut. I'm going to take that out. And then the brake line will come out. And then on this side you have your ABS wire, which is just held in with a little clip. You can use a mini screwdriver to push the tabs in. And then that'll pop out. Next thing, you got your strut bolts to the knuckle. So on this side, right here, let me adjust this camera, right here, these are, I believe, 22s. The bolt, yep, the bolt is a 22. Actually, I think it's a 21. Let me grab a different wrench.
Yep. Yep, my license is this is correct.
Yep, so it's a 21, and then the nut side is a 24. So we'll zip these off. Get those nuts off. And we're going to take a hammer, we're going to tap these out.
Tap, tap. Got one. Got one out, guys.
Thank you, Sky.
Okay.
Alright, and then now that's free from the knuckle. Now we got to go up top and get the 4 13mm bolts out of the top. So right there, you got the 4 13mm. They're a little bit of a pain. These two front ones and that inner back one aren't too bad. It's that outer rear one that's a real pain. It's very slow going. I couldn't get a wrench on it other than an open end wrench. So it's just take your time. It takes a little bit of time, but you'll get it done. So I'm going to go ahead and knock those out. And then we'll start reinstalling. All right. Now I got all 4 of those top bolts out. So everything's loose. So now I just need to pull the strut out. You just got to be careful of your ABS wire and your brake line. You don't want to hang them up on the strut. And it's out. That's all there is to removing it. So now we're going to go ahead and start reinstalling the new one. Alright guys. So I got the struts in place. I couldn't do it by myself. I need a second man. I couldn't hold it in place and get the nuts started up top. I had to have my dad come over and help me. But it's in place now. Don't tighten those top nuts down. Now we're going to reassemble the bottom first, and then we'll tighten those top nuts last. So now that it's hanging up there, we're going to get this all reattached. So we're just going to take our knuckle. We're going to slide it into place. Get your bolts and nuts ready. So we're going to get it up here, slide it into the strut. Wow, that worked good. Okay, so mine lined up perfect. That doesn't usually happen. Usually, if you can't get it, lift up on the control arm, push down on the strut, move it around, get them in place. That way you can slide your bolts in. Just get the nuts going. Can't believe it actually lined up that perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten these bolts and nuts down. Oh, got it backwards. It's 24 on the nut, 21 on the bolt. And then, as you remember, the ABS wire is just a clip. Push that into place. And you got your 10 millimeter that holds your brake line into place. So you just slide this into its little clip on here. Get the little bolt started. That's tight. Now that's pretty much it. Only thing left to do is go up top. You're going to snug those top 4 bolts and then put your wheels back on, torque your lug nuts, and you're going to lower the car down onto the wheels, and you're going to tighten those top 4 bolts when the car's sitting on the wheels. You always want to drop it down first onto the wheels before you tighten those top bolts. And then after that, you're good to go. Take it for a test drive, make sure it's not making any noise. If you like my content, please like and subscribe, guys. I appreciate it.